Today, we reveal the double edge of AI. It can heal, teach, and connect. Yet, it can strip care, tilt justice, and turn more police patrols on communities of color. This video exposes how bias sneaks into AI and why it matters for Black and brown lives. AI doesn't just pop out of nowhere, it has to be trained. Training means feeding it massive amounts of information from books, websites, images, medical notes, arrest records, conversations, and more. All of that data becomes its memory. Then thousands of powerful computers process it, until the system learns to spot patterns and predict outcomes. But who's responsible for training AI?
Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft hire teams of engineers, researchers, and contractors around the world. At one point, OpenAI relied on more than 1,000 people across Africa, Asia, and the US to help clean and label the data. Training a single advanced model can take months and cost tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars in computer power and labor. It's not cheap. But the payoff is enormous because once trained, the system can serve millions of users at once. Take healthcare as an example. For decades, most medical research was done on white men. Women, children, and non-white groups were often left out of trials. That means the books of patient data are tilted. When AI learns from those records, it learns a biased view of health. It might diagnose white men more accurately, while missing key signs in Black women or other groups. Not because the machine is racist, but because the data it studied was racist, incomplete, and unfair. In criminal justice, the same thing happens. If the books are old arrest logs filled with over-policing in Black neighborhoods, then the system learns to expect crime there, even if crime rates are the same elsewhere. Bias in, bias out.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.